My name is David. This is the Altitude 5i WP from Hi-Tec. This shoe features a leather upper with a fully gusseted tongue and rust-proof hardware. It also has waterproof booty construction and eye shield, which keeps the shoe drier and cleaner for longer. On the inside, it's an ortho-light contoured sock liner. The midsole is an EVA for extra cushion, and the outsole is a multi-directional traction system. The Altitude 5i WP is known for its great value and out-of-the-box comfort. It's from Hi-Tec.